Now, may I request Mrs. Kamaljeet and Mrs. Shilpi to welcome them with tilak and badges. एक दिन ही सही शहादतों के नाम कर लेना, मिले कभी जो भारत माता तुम उन्हें प्रणाम कर लेना। मुमकिन हो अगर राजगुरु और आज़ाद सा काम कर लेना, गरीबों में पैसा ना सही तुम शिक्षा ही दान कर लेना। करनी हो जब मांग किसी से, देश में अमन और शांति की मांग कर लेना। रहे ना हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाइयों में भेदभाव, तुम दिवाली कोई और क्रिसमस को रमजान कर लेना। जिंदगी की आखिरी सांस तक, जिंदगी की आखिरी सांस तक तुम वंदे मातरम का गुणगान कर लेना। 29 states, over 1600 languages, 6,000 tribes, 6 major religions, 6 ethnic groups, that you, my friend, is my country, your country, our country, India. आदर, अभिनंदन, आभार, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, hello and a very good morning to everyone. Today, on this auspicious day, we all gathered to celebrate the remarkable day on which we received our constitution. Can the aftermath of a pandemic dampen the patriotic fervor of world's largest democracy? This question will be answered today when we stand together to celebrate 72nd Republic Day of India. I, Suma Vishwas, would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day, as well as would like to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Dinesh Kumar Sahu and Dr. Varsha Sahu, Superior Sister Madhu, Directress of PPTT Sister Renuka, respected Sister Clarita, Sister Kalista, Sister Ajaya, teachers and all other present in this gathering. This Republic Day is very special for everyone as it evokes a feeling of hope and determination. Hope, a bright future ahead for the country, and determination to fight the corona pandemic. I am profusely elated to take an opportunity to introduce our Chief Guest, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Sahu. On behalf of our school management, I thank him for providing him his gracious presence to join us today to enhance our joy. It is a great honor for me to introduce our Chief Guest for this startling, beautiful morning. He merely requires any introduction, though. Sir, you born in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. You have done your BA, MS from Council of Alternative System of Medicine, BHMS from Ayush University of Chhattisgarh, and sir, you are awarded with many prestigious awards, including an update of infection by American Academy, COVID Warrior by Gufic Healthcare. Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time to our school. It means a lot to all of us. I would like to call upon Mr. Devendra and Mr. Rahul with saplings, a token of love and respect, and welcome him. Rahul sir. Rahul sir. भारत माता तेरी गाथा, सबसे ऊंची तेरी शान, तेरे आगे शीश झुकाए दे तुझको हम सब सम्मान. Now I request our principal Sister Clarita, Sister Renuka, Sister Ajaya to accompany our chief guest Dr. Dinesh Kumar Sahu with his wife Dr. Varsha Sahu for flag hosting ceremony.
Attention!
Fluttering tricolors inspires us to dedicate our life to our nation. Get ready for national anthem.
Full attention.
विनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम। वंदे मातरम।
Along with the teachers and students to raise their right hand for the pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be
strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers and all elders
teachers and all elders
respect and treat everyone
respect and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion
I pledge my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
May I request all of you to kindly sit back to your respective seats. This hope, let's move to our program. So let us welcome our teachers group to sing a patriotic song.
हर कदम वतन मेरे नाज है तेरा, हर कदम वतन मेरे नाज है तेरा, आवाज में हूँ और वतन आजाद है मेरा, आजाद में हूँ और वतन आजाद है मेरा।
हर कदम वतन मेरे नाज है तेरा, हर कदम वतन मेरे नाज है तेरा, आजाद मैं हूँ और वतन आजाद है मेरा, आजाद मैं हूँ और वतन आजाद है मेरा।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम,
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
हवाएं कह रही अपनों की दास्तां, ऐसे ना मिला हमको ये गुलसितां।
हवाएं कह रही अपनों की दास्तां, ऐसे ना मिला हमको ये गुलसितां।
सरहदों पे कितने शहीदों के लहू बहे,
सरहदों पे कितने ही
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सरफरोशी को चले हैं बांध के कफन, दुश्मनों को करने उनकी मिट्टी में दफन। अब जो हमारी तरफ बढ़े कोई कदम, इतिहास से मिटा देंगे बुनियाद उनकी हम।
वर्ग भी मिटने न दें
वर्ग भी मिटने न दे तिरंगे की ये शान, हिंदू सिता तेरे लिए दे देंगे अपनी जान। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
सुजलाम सुफलाम
मातरम वंदे मातरम
मलयज शीतलाम
मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
वन्दे मातरम्। Thank you.
Dear friends, every Republic Day reminds us our duties towards our nation. Let's pay homage to all our martyrs who toiled to create India, liberated us from the shackles of Britishers, and carved the world's longest written constitution on which our democracy is based today. Today, we are not only celebrating the Constitution of India, but also remembering the real heroes of our nation. So, I request Ms. Shweta Lakra to share some valuable thought about Republic Day.
Rejoice in the glory of a nation and remember the supreme sacrifices of the freedom fighters. A very warm good morning to the Excellencies Dr. Dinesh Kumar Sahu, Reverend Dr. Sister Clarita, the Principal of the school, Directors of the PPTT, Reverend Sister Renuka, all the sisters, teachers and my dear friends. It is a day, it is a time, it is a moment to arise and shine out. It's an occasion of celebration for every Indian soul that breathes in free India, because right 71 years back on 26th January 1950 was a day marked when the Constitution of India came to an effect. However, 2 weeks later, on 29th August 1947, a drafted committee was appointed for the drafting a permanent constitution with Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar as chairman. After hard work, the constitution was finally drafted and January 26th declared as Republic Day. Therefore, dear friends, it is the time to rededicate ourselves for our country. It is the time to repeat our pledge that we would not let the efforts of freedom fighters let go in vain. We would strive to make our country the best in the world. It is the time to awake and lift up our voices against the divisions. Yes, it is the time to break barriers of caste, religion, language, rich and poor, and to promote unity that binds us as one nation and one people. That the darkness of corruption, hatred, jealousy, anger, and division be cast off, and and put on the armor of light. Though India officially received freedom from the British rule, but still not free from the power of darkness and physical problems, which was very much visible in 2020 with lots of struggle due to corona pandemic, cyclone in Pondicherry and Chennai, farmer movement, conflicts between India, China and many other countries. Thus, still we see that India is not free, always surrounded by the problems, struggles. On this day, let us join with the people in struggle and become voice of the voiceless before the government for sheer help, protection and support in the time of need, so that India in future may have religion, harmony and peace, where every citizen will feel accepted and protected. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat and Jai Chhattisgarh. Thank you.
Thank you, Shweta. Proceeding ahead. Life is beautiful, but soul is always shine. Desire is life's passion, but kindness is soul's pleasure. Let your soul shine with dance. To pay tribute to our freedom fighters, ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath. It's time to see a DDP, means Dynamic Dance Performance, by our teachers. Please put your hands together and welcome them.
अब
Proceeding ahead, we are enjoying freedom because they fought for us. We are not suffering because they sacrificed their lives. We thank them, we respect them. As we all know, dance has no barriers. It is something that everyone can feel, everyone can understand, and definitely something everyone can enjoy. So without any further delay, let's have a huge round of applause for the dance group by PPTT students. Thank you, students. It was really a magical performance to watch. Proceeding ahead. Now, I kindly request our respected chief guest, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Sahu, to enlighten us with your valuable words. Sir, please.
Happy Republic Day, all of you. इस गणतंत्रता दिवस के परेड पे आप सभी को मेरे तरफ से और मेरे परिवार की तरफ से आप लोग को बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ। अब इस गणतंत्रता दिवस की परेड में आज जो भी हो रहा है यहाँ, एक तो कोरोना काल चला जिसके कारण से जो है सारे स्टूडेंट्स नहीं आ पाए, तो इसके कारण आज हमारी मैडमों को डांस करना पड़ा जो सही था। और इस कोरोना काल के चक्कर में जो हमारे बच्चे लोगों का जो पढ़ाई में जो नुकसान होना चाहिए था वो तो नहीं हो पाया, क्योंकि हमारे जो टीचर्स थे वो सारे लोगों ने जो है ये कमान संभाल के रखे हुए थे कि वो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की ओर ज़्यादा ध्यान दिए। तो थैंकफुल ऑल टीचर्स जिन्होंने सारे बच्चे का पढ़ाई के ऑनलाइन रखते हुए जारी रखा पढ़ाइयों को, ताकि आगे उनकी कोई भविष्य में कोई प्रकार की हानि ना हो पाए। for all teachers और all non-teaching staffs, और स्पेशली थैंक्स फॉर प्रिंसिपल मैडम जिन्होंने इस मैनेजमेंट को बनाए रखा ताकि बच्चों को कहीं से भी लॉस ना हो और पढ़ाई हमेशा जारी रहे। गणतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में तो आप सभी को पता है, बट मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोलूँगा नहीं इसके लिए। अब ये जो है हमारे जो है 72 रिपब्लिक डे जो है आज हम सेलिब्रेट करने जा रहे हैं। ये जो है संविधान हमारा जो है भारत में आज के दिन लागू किया गया था 26 जनवरी 1950 को, और आज के दिन ये नियम और कानून जो है बने जिसके तहत आज हम पूरे भारत में ये सारे नियमों के तहत काम कर रहे हैं। और आज ये काम करते हुए ही आज ये भारत आगे बढ़ रहा है, और आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते देखिए आज इस नियमों का पालन आज हमारे बच्चे करेंगे जो आने वाले भविष्य में एक सभ्य नागरिक बनने के लिए तैयार रहेंगे। तो ये गणतंत्र दिवस और ये संविधान जो है हमारे लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं, और ये संविधान के नियमों का पालन करना भी हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। भारत में ये संविधान जो है अनेकता में एकता का एक प्रतीक है, जहाँ भिन्न भिन्न वर्ग के लोग रहते हैं, जाति के लोग रहते हैं, लेकिन इस संविधान के नियमों के अनुसार सभी में एक समानताएं हैं। जो समानताएं जो है आज हमें देखने को मिलता है कि भारत देश में जो ये समानताएं हैं वो आज हमारे संविधान के ही कारण हैं, जिनके कारण संविधान के नियमों के कारण ये संभव हो पाया है। तो आगे और तो कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं, मैं मैम का धन्यवाद बोलता हूँ कि जो मेरे को यहाँ चीफ गेस्ट के रूप में यहाँ बुलाए, उसके लिए थैंक्स। ऑल स्टाफ, सारे टीचर्स, स्पेशली टीचर्स लोगों के लिए जो हमारे बच्चों के लिए इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं, जो ऑनलाइन के थ्रू आज हमारे बच्चे लोगों के लिए सबसे अच्छा प्रेरणादायक बने, उनके लिए भी मैं दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। थैंक यू। जय भारत।
Thank you, sir, for your words of appreciation. That means a lot to all of us. Now, I would request our respected sister to honor our chief guest, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Sahu, with his wife, Dr. Varsha Sahu, with a shawl and a memento as a token of love and respect. Thank you, sister, for doing the honor. Proceeding ahead. Now I would like to call Mrs. Rebecca to give vote of thanks. Rebecca, ma'am.
A very good morning to all. Indeed, it's my great honor and privilege to purpose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion of 72 Republic Day. Behalf of our school, I would like to give glory to the Almighty God for making occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank our guest, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Sahu and Dr. Varsha Sahu, who despite of their busy schedule and sharing their time to add grace to this occasion. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for giving us your precious time and worthwhile words. We heartily appreciate for your compassion and commitment towards your profession, and we are honored to have your presence. We extend sincere thanks to our respected manager, Sister Renuka, our superior Sister Madhu, Principal Sister Clyde de Mello, Sister Ajaya and Sister Kalista, for stimulating the wishes and appreciation of raising generation, your dedication and commitment. To our school inspire us and motivates us to follow your footprints. We are very thankful to all the respected teachers for your valuable guidance and contribution. Thank you so much for your constant support, and we expect the same zeal and support throughout the years. Thanks to our PPTT students for their wonderful performance. Special gratitude to the non-teaching staff and co-worker for your cooperation for successfully conducting today's event. Its time is money. Then today, you have spent millions for us. Thank you. Last but not the least, freedom in mind, faith in our hearts, memories in our souls. Let's salute the nation on Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am. In this auspicious occasion, let's we all peep into us and think that whether we are fulfilling our fundamental duties or not. Let's ask to ourselves that we can do what we can do for our country instead of asking what our country can do for us. Let's come together and march a step forward for a better society. Let's respect the Constitution of Free India. On behalf of our school, I would like to thank you, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Sahu, Dr. Varsha Sahu, for sharing their precious time with our school. I would like to take this moment to thank our principal, Sister Clarita, and teachers for successfully conducting this national festival. At last but not the least, I would like to thank our PPTT students for participating for the Republic Day celebration. With this, thank you everyone for joining us, and once again a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.